Hey guys, and welcome back to a video where I'm going to be doing a topic which I really like. It's called maths, but this time and I'm going to be doing cube and square numbers. Okay, and I got a tactic for cube and square numbers. I'll show you the square one first, then I'll do the cube. Okay, so first you do 1 times 1 equals 4. 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now there is a difference here. Plus 3. Okay, you have to add the 3 to get to 4. So then now you have to add the 5 for the next one. 9. So now you have to add 5. So all you have to do is add 2 to each one. So 1 to 4 is, so 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals 9. 3 plus 2 would be 5. You see why I'm saying you have to add these by 2 to get this as an answer. Then you have to add this to the next number, which would be right here. Okay, and then it will be added up by 7. So the answer would be 16. I got text message. Okay, so now so now I have to add 9 to 7, which would equal 16. So, and this is plus 2. There's like a good sequence of numbers going through. Okay, and this is the question I was doing on my first try, square numbers to 100. But first, I'll show you the cube strategy. So 1 plus 1, 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So now there's a difference of 7. So there would be another difference coming after. So it will be 3 times 3 times 3. And your answer would be 27. And wait. Yep, the answer is 27. Okay. So there's a difference in here. The difference would be 19 plus 19. Okay, and then 7 to 19 would be 12 plus 12. It's going to change because cube numbers and square numbers are not the same thing. So now let's try it. 7, 19, it's add by 12. Okay, so now we do 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Okay, and now you see a big difference. So how I work it out is to get to 64 is going to be easy. Plus 3, add 30, and add 4. You get your answer is 37. Let me just put that to make it more clear. 37. Okay, so I added 12, okay, and now I added 12, and then I added 18, was it? I think so. Plus 18. And now I think it's going to go up by 24 next. Let's see if I'm right. So 5 times 5. Wait, it's a so sorry. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. I know these off by heart, but I just want to show you how to get this more easier. So then you can do this again and again to other numbers. So there's a difference of 60 plus 61. Big difference. Okay, so then now I think it's going to be plus 24. Plus 24. Oops. This is supposed to be a 61. So now it's supposed to be like this, not like that. It's plus 24. So now it's going up by 6. You see where I'm going with this? Okay, so now we have to add this by 6. So then that will be 30. So now we have to add 30 to 61. And then that will be 91. And then you add that here, I think. Wait, let me check the procedure. Because, yeah, I know the answer is straight off the bat, but 216, am I right? Yes, I am right. So technically, you have to do 24 plus 61. Your answer, wait, actually 30 plus 61, my bad. So the answer would be 91. Then you add it to 125, okay? And then you add 9 and add 91 to it, and then you get your answer. So this one is plus 91, and then next it will be plus 30. So now you have to do plus 36 to 91 to get the 7 cubed. Just in case if you didn't know, cube numbers look like this and square numbers look like this. It is a fact, but just to show you. Okay, and now I showed you all my cube numbers. Now I'm going to go to the square numbers. When I was doing my square numbers road to 1000, and I got to this number. And I figured how to times it. And it's a big number, so then I used my calculator and I got the answer right off the bat, but I want to tell you how I got my answer. It's not like by this way, it'll take forever. Okay, so here's a way. There's another way. So you do this, then you do 4, so you do this, and then multiply it. I may be wrong, but I might have to check the square rooting. Okay, so this is your answer. So now I'm going to check if it's the right answer. I'm sometimes wrong, always. So I forgot how to square. Sorry. So let's go to my calculator. I have a calculator which is right here. I'm sorry, but I am quite good at maths, but still it's a hard thing. So now let's go to my calculator. Okay, and now we have to type in 674 times. I'm doing it 3 times. Okay, now let's see if I got the right answer. Okay, I did. I'm sometimes lucky that 6 doesn't look right. I'm a bad writer. That's what I found suspicious of my writing. I was sure it's like that. Okay, so that's my answer. Okay, this is going to be the end of my video. It was like breathtaking. I only found this out because I was thinking there would be some pattern to all of these numbers, and I finally have found it with cube and square numbers. Okay, this will be the end. This might end the video with this final question I might show you. That was this impossible one. Jeez, it was so hard. I'm gonna use my calculator for this one for the fun of it. So there was this 198. It's right down here. Okay, times 1,798. Okay, now here's how I worked it out. So I worked out in a different way, but I want to show you in the calculator for the easier area. So it's 1. Wait. Oops, I put double 1. 1, 2. Actually, it's a 7. I can't change it now. I have to clear it. 1, 7, 9, 8. Multiply. 1, 7, 9, 8. The answer is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's your answer.